can I publish a post in the past? Well, that's a question we get sometimes. So let's play with this time machine. When you publish a new post, I'm creating a new post right now. As you can see, I'm in the post editor screen. Posts are by default published now. That means that if I click here in Save and Publish, this post will get published and people will see it on my widget and my standalone page. But what if I want to publish this one like a month ago for something that is not that important right now but was important back then? I just need to click here on Now, and this calendar will open up, and I can just select another date, even a date in the past, and click on it, and that's done. This post will be published in an earlier date. And that's it, as easy as that. You can also schedule posts for the future. For example, you can set a date next month. Click on it, and done. But your users won't be able to read it until the date that you selected. That's a scheduled post. A post for posterity, I guess. A post for the future, I mean. You can also set an expiration date. That means that posts will be published only between this date, the date of publishing, and this date. If you click on expiration date, the date of expiration. And this post, if I publish, will be published the 8th of August and will stop being published, will get drafted back the 30th of August. And that's how you play with time with Beamer. Thanks for watching.